Nice to meet you, Roy. How are you
Nice
doing?
to meet you, Liron. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. So I see you're from Melingo. Could you explain a little bit what Melingo does?
Yes. Melingo started 20 years ago. It's not a typical startup. It started 20 years ago and it specializes in linguistics, in NLP, natural language processing, and understanding the meaning of languages. So our old set of products, which are still selling very well around the world, are dictionaries. Morphix dictionary, if you might have heard about it, as well as English Hebrew dictionaries such as Rav Milim. What we have done in the recent year is move into the world of large language models, aka ChatGPT, Bard, etc., etc. So we have taken all the experience we've accumulated over 20 years in investigating the meaning of languages in a computerized way, and then we move to free text questions, chat agents, basically allowing you to ask questions to any knowledge base.
Interesting. And I have to tell you, I'm a user of both of Milim and I used to be a very heavy user of Morphix. So
Yes.
it's great to hear. Um, about the new set of products, how do you differentiate from the existing ChatGPT or Bard tools?
So obviously, ChatGPT is an open platform. You don't know where your data is going. Everything that we do is completely closed. So we tailor the solution to the client, to the bank, to the insurance company, to the call center. Nothing goes out. And we do it in a completely private cloud. We can even do it on-prem if required. Not only that, the language models which they're using have a problem, which is called hallucinations. They invent facts. We don't invent facts. You cannot make our models say something which it doesn't actually know. So if the model reaches to that point, and this is very important in compliance manners, in banking, insurance, etc. So if the model doesn't know how to answer a question based on what it has been fed, it will raise a flag and say, I will pass you to a human agent. And that's another thing that sets us apart. We integrate seamlessly with the multi-channel way of connecting with your customers, whether it's your WhatsApp chat, your chat on the website, your email system. So you get a seamless connection from the knowledge base through the free text questions to answering customer questions.
Interesting. Maybe to help us and the audience understand a little more, could you give a few use cases or examples of how you might use your tool?
Yes. So, for example, in Israel, the largest legal database, it's called Nevo, if you might have heard of it, is using Melingo for building the next generation free text search capabilities. So lawyers can sit in front of it and ask a legal question in free text without knowing the specifics and get an answer in a Socratic way. So it will ask them, give me a few more details, this and that, and then we'll structure an answer for them, which they can almost copy and put into whatever papers.
And is this operational right now?
Yes, it is.
Amazing. I'll tell my mom. She's a lawyer and she's not that great with
Yep.
search engines. So,
And so this is a database insight extraction model. But if you take it one step further, we work with one of the largest banks in Israel, actually answering text messages that they are receiving on their support SMS from clients. So we run the AI agent on the SMS and chat of the bank. And when the client wants to go from knowledge to action, we are able to move him to the right person within the bank that will be able to action his request.
interesting. Nice. Um, yeah, and maybe last question. You're here in London. It would be interesting to know what you're looking for, what you're interested in the in the UK ecosystem.
Yes, so we are very serious about the London market. We opened an office here. I'm full time here, and we are committed to the market. We are currently looking for design partners, whether it's large call centers in banks, insurance companies, or others, whether it's large knowledge sets such as legal knowledge sets and others where you need to provide insights very quickly. And we want to take all the knowledge that we have from Israel and bring it to the UK market.
Got it. Interesting. Well, best of luck with that.
Thanks so much.
It's been so great
Thank
to
you.
hear. Thank you.